do you want me to do? I can't go. There's a fucking car turning. I'm not gonna get fucking hit by a car, dumbass. Green light. Like, I can fucking see, dude. I can see. There's a car turning in front of me, though. Like, what the fuck do you mean? I've never had that. Like, I'm gonna wait until the dude finishes his full turn. I'm not going in front of him. What? That was a proper turn. Hell yeah. I'm starting to get the hang of this thing. It only took 1,600 miles. I used to be like, oh my god, the wind. Now I'm like, the wind, it feels so good. It's just a little cold. Oh shit. Progression, man. I don't know, man. This video is a little bit all over the place. I was really hoping there wasn't going to be a lot of cars because I wanted to cruise through these corners, dude. But unfortunately, that's not going to happen. We got a lot of cars. So, but it's been kind of, we just been all over the place, man. We just rambling, not able to do what we want to do. Oh, I just want to go fast. I think a little fast release, get the adrenals pumping, baby. Might make me feel a little better as well. Am I addicted to the adrenalines? Oh no. I'm addicted to the fear of death. I need to be on the edge of my sheet at all times. Put me on the edge, baby. I'm living too close to comfort. Oh man. But yeah, I don't know. I guess it's not that bad. We're making things happen. We're making choices. We just need to finalize a few things, and I think once I get the majority of the lingering things off my plate and get these videos edited and get my game channel videos back on track, I think I'll be happy again. I just need to dedicate myself to the grind and to the work. We're gonna hit straight here and see if we can not maybe get through these corners up here with some fun. If not, we'll probably call it a video. On a steel horse I ride. Bam, 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 bam. good thing I slowed down. I had an intuition. I had a suspenseful feeling that there might be a fellow in that parking lot back there. I was right. You would have known if I was ripping, even though they can't radar anymore. Or maybe they can in a parking lot. I don't think they can do follow radar. I don't know what it is. There's a new rule though, and there's certain radar they can't do. Or my homie lied to me. Either way, I don't know. Always follow the traffic laws. Alright, man, yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of the video here. We are nearing the end of our ride. Nothing fun really to come. Just some slow roads on the way to the crib. So thank y'all for watching if you made it through the whole video and listening to me rant. I know it wasn't necessarily the most enjoyable video, probably. I was kind of just talking about life and the typical bullshit that we kind of all deal with, and maybe give us some topics that we can all relate on, and you know, we're all in this struggle together, brother. I guess not all of us, because you know we got some millionaire motherfuckers out in this bitch, but you know, the general public, man, we're all in this together, brothers. We're all going through some sort of struggle, some sort of bullshit, some sort of 21st century first world problems, you know. That's really all it is. Life could be 10 times worse. You always gotta remember that little fact. Life could be worse. It's the hardest fact to remember. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.